Hello traders, it's time for the summary of the day. Today nothing special going on the markets because as you know there is bank holiday in United States and Canada. So we had only one trading session today just in the morning and I made only one plan on gold. And guys, like you can see right now on the screen, I'm in profit of $5,900. The trade is secured already for $4,522. So in the worst case, I will get $4,500 from this trade. And if the price will drop down to our target, because we got target from all-in ASAP strategy, I will get $10,000 of profit. So let me explain you the plan. I will show you also the plan from the morning session. So let's move to trading view. The plan on the morning session, we had two basically plans. And the first plan was saying that after breaking through this trend line, I said I'm gonna wait for the retest and try to enter the position, and that's what exactly I did. I've entered the trade. Also, this was support resistance zone as well for the sellers. That's why I placed the stop loss right here, just above this area, and I entered the trade after this candle right here. Risk to reward 1 to 4, so pretty good. My risk was 0.25% for this trade. And this, we are still in the game and we are not too far from our target from all-in ASAP strategy. I can show you the plan in our trading journal. So one plan was this one here, but that didn't work because they went a little bit higher. So I had to enter the position a little bit earlier, but you can see the plan was working pretty good and I had to move this trend line like this. Then let's have a look. The other plan was saying that we're gonna get to the liquidity zone where we had gap from the morning, but the price didn't get there. That's okay, as long as we are in profit, guys. So this was pretty good trade. I'm still waiting for full take profit. Like you can see, I've moved my stop loss. This is 1 minute time frame. I've moved my stop loss to here, so I've got $4,500 secured. And if the price will drop to the target, I will get another more than $5,000 of profit. So fingers crossed. Now there is less volatility on the market, guys. Europe is gonna close in about 1 hour. So in about 1 hour, even if we're gonna be somewhere here, I will close my position because there will be much less liquidity on the market. Okay, so another hour, and I'm gonna give a chance. It doesn't matter for me now. $4,500 is secure right now. I also want to show you some morning plans because this morning we had our morning program and Tomek had some plans. Let's have a look. Tomek was checking out USDJPY. He put exact entry, risk to reward, take profit. He was using Asian session liquidity and probably target. I'm not sure. I don't have information, but I can see that he checked that 2 legs from price action were done. So probably he was waiting for the third leg measure move and then reversal. We can have a look what happened on USDJPY right here. Look at this, guys. Did the plan work? I think yes, because the price went through. Let's have a look at the plan. He had different trend line, guys. A trend line like this. You can see the breakout and the price went through. So there was a chance to enter the position. The price is slowly coming back, but you know, today is a little bit tricky day because of the holidays in the US. But the plan was pretty good, I can say. Okay, next one, Tomek, that plan is not sure, but I think he's got take profit. Let me just have a look. USDCHF. Was it USDCHF? Not sure. but I think the plan worked perfectly and the price dropped down. So probably that trade was for reaction. We can see target over here. So yeah, probably he'll open the trade for reaction, which was pretty good. And plan on USD CHF for reaction at the target. We can also have a look at that. USD CHF. Did they get to the target? I think no. Few pips before target, they reversed. So the plan was good, but the price didn't get to our target. So guys, nothing much today. The morning session basically we had at 9 a.m. One plan on gold, but we don't need any more, guys. One plan, and you can see I've got now profit of $6,000, and hopefully we're gonna get to full take profit. So we don't need 100 different plans. All we need is one or two good plans a day. That's it, guys. All right, for now, that's it. Tomorrow morning, we're gonna see each other again on YouTube. So you can join our live trading session at 9 a.m. And later on, we're gonna have another one at 2 p.m. So, guys, fingers crossed for this trade. Hopefully, we're gonna get to full take profit. And I will see you tomorrow morning. So, thank you for today, guys. I wish you all the best and see you tomorrow. Take care.